Hey everybody, it's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for joining us. Today I want to talk to you about this right here. This is the Tusk Billet side stand foot for the BMW R GS. This is an inexpensive but very necessary item for this bike. What this does is just simply increases the size and platform of the foot on your kickstand. Why is it necessary? Well, because this bike, it's not light, she's a heavy gal. And anytime you're using the kickstand and you're in soft terrain, dirt, grass, or even just hot asphalt, the bike's gonna wanna sink in. Worst case scenario, it could tip over. So when you have this on, it greatly increases the size of that, so you don't have to worry about that happening. It's very easy to install, just 3 screws on top that hold it on. So you have the bottom piece and the top, clamps together, and it looks awesome. It's made from billet aluminum, anodized finish. And if you have questions or comments about this, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab one, just click the link down below in the description of this video or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And while you're there, make sure you check out all the other cool items that Tusk has for the 1300 GS. Just right here, you can see we've got our lower crash bars. We've got the Edge Billet Adventure foot pegs, adjustable shift lever, adjustable brake pedal, and a whole lot more. As always, we ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on cool new products like the Billet side foot stand, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.